Hello, welcome to my garden. So far I've done a video showing how to plant my pea seeds. I was then going to show you how to put them outside, but it was a little bit chilly, so I showed you how to transfer them once they got a bit bigger, and now it's finally time for them to move outside. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already dug some holes where I'm going to plant my peas, and yeah, I'll show you where to go from there. So I've already dug a hole for my peas to go in, but just before I put them in, I'm going to add a layer of compost at the bottom of the hole. This means that when I pop them in, the roots have easy access to the nutrients that they need, and they won't have to work too hard until they've established themselves well into the ground. So I'm going to tip the plant up, give the carton a little squeeze to release them. Ooh, there we go. I'm just going to add a little bit of compost around them. Again, just giving them easy access to the nutrients that they need to help them grow. And then cover it over with the rest of the soil. And there we go. Now, as you can see, it's already got lots of access to sunlight and natural light. So I'm just going to give it water around the edges. And there we go. That's that. So peas, once they get a bit taller, they are not very good at supporting themselves. So watch out for my video. I will show you how to grow tripods with bamboo canes or string for the peas to grow up from. So yeah, keep an eye on them. If they start to look like they're drooping, that's what we'll do. I hope this was useful and interesting, and I'll see you soon.